Did you know this vibrant purple flower, often seen in gardens and herbal remedies, has been a trusted natural healer for centuries? Echinacea, also called the purple coneflower, is famed for its immune-boosting and healing powers. Stay with us as we explore 10 powerful ways to use Echinacea to improve your health, saving the best tip for last. Tip 1. Fight off the common cold. When the chill of cold season hits, your body becomes vulnerable to viruses that cause the common cold. You might feel tired, congested, and achy. This happens because your immune system is working hard but needs a boost. Echinacea can help stimulate your immune defenses by increasing white blood cell activity, the cells that fight infections. To harness this, prepare a warm Echinacea tea. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried Echinacea flowers or root in hot water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip it 2-3 times daily at the first sign of symptoms to reduce the severity and duration of colds. Tip 2. Soothe a sore throat. With the first cold temperatures, your throat is at risk. Do you feel pain or scratchiness when swallowing? This irritation often signals inflammation caused by viral infections. A cooled Echinacea tea can calm this inflammation and help your body fight the infection. To make it, brew Echinacea tea. As before, let it cool, then gently gargle for 30 seconds, several times a day. This simple remedy reduces throat pain and swelling naturally. Tip 3. Speed healing of minor cuts and scrapes. Cuts and scrapes break your skin's barrier, inviting bacteria and risking infection. Echinacea contains compounds that promote tissue regeneration and reduce inflammation, speeding your healing. To use, dilute Echinacea tincture with water and apply it gently to the wound with a clean cotton ball once or twice daily, until healed. Tip 4. Soothe skin irritations and rashes. Inflammatory skin conditions like eczema or insect bites can cause redness, itching, and discomfort due to immune responses gone awry. Echinacea's anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties help soothe irritated skin. Prepare a compress by steeping Echinacea tea bags in hot water, cooling them, and applying directly to affected areas for 10 to 15 minutes to relieve itching and redness. Tip 5. Support respiratory health during colds and flu. Sinus congestion, coughing, and difficulty breathing are common during respiratory infections when your body battles viruses. Echinacea can reduce inflammation in the respiratory tract and support faster recovery. Drink Echinacea tea regularly during illness, or take standardized Echinacea supplements as directed to help your body clear infection and ease symptoms. Tip 6. Relieve toothache and gum inflammation. A throbbing toothache or swollen gums often signal bacterial infection or irritation. Echinacea's antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory effects can ease this pain. Prepare a cooled Echinacea tea rinse and swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds, 2 to 3 times daily, to reduce swelling and discomfort naturally. Tip 7. Ease mild urinary tract discomfort. Burning or urgency during urination often indicates a urinary tract infection or irritation. Echinacea's immune-stimulating and anti-inflammatory actions may help your body fight infection. Drink Echinacea tea daily during mild symptoms and consult a healthcare professional if symptoms worsen. Tip 8. Promote oral health and reduce mouth ulcers. Mouth ulcers and gum inflammation can be painful and slow to heal. Using Echinacea as a mouth rinse or in oral gels can reduce inflammation and promote healing. Prepare a gentle Echinacea tea rinse and use it daily to soothe your oral Tip 9. Support gentle detoxification. Your body's natural detox organs can benefit from herbs that support immune function and reduce inflammation. Combining Echinacea with detoxifying herbs, like burdock root, in a tea can gently assist your body's cleansing processes. Steep equal parts dried Echinacea and burdock root in boiling water for 10 minutes, strain, and sip daily. Tip 10. The ultimate immunoboosting syrup. And here's the best tip. Combine Echinacea with elderberry and raw honey to make a potent immune syrup. Elderberry adds antiviral power, and honey soothes the throat. To prepare, steep 1 tablespoon each of dried Echinacea and elderberry in 2 cups boiling water for 15 minutes. Strain. Let cool slightly, then stir in a half cup of raw honey. Take 1 tablespoon daily during cold season or at the first sign of illness to supercharge your immune defenses naturally. Echinacea is a versatile and powerful ally for your immune system and overall health. Which tip will you try first? Next time, we'll explore a spicy root that can boost your energy and reduce inflammation. Don't miss it!